Xiaomi has been making waves in the tablet market with its innovative offerings. After numerous rumors circulating about a new addition to their tablet lineup, the anticipation has finally come to fruition. Xiaomi has officially confirmed the imminent launch of its flagship tablet, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, set to debut alongside the Xiaomi 14 Ultra on February 22, 2024, in China. The announcement brings a wave of excitement among tech enthusiasts, as the brand has released posters teasing the appearance and key specifications of the upcoming tablet. While the official images focus solely on the front appearance of the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, speculation suggests that it may adopt an appearance language similar to its predecessors, the Pad 6, Pad 6 Pro, and Pad 6 Max tablets, which were unveiled last year. Moreover, Xiaomi aims to enhance the user experience by offering optional accessories, such as a magnetic keyboard and a stylus, catering to diverse user needs and preferences. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro is poised to impress with its stunning display capabilities. It will feature a spacious 12.4-inch LCD panel delivering a crisp 3K resolution, boasting an aspect ratio of 3:2, a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and a remarkable peak brightness of 900 nits. Under the hood, the tablet will be powered by the formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, ensuring seamless performance. Furthermore, the top-tier configuration will offer a generous 16 GB of RAM, paired with a whopping 1 TB of storage, catering to users with demanding multitasking and storage requirements. While details about the battery dimension remain undisclosed, Xiaomi has confirmed that the Pad 6s Pro will support blazing fast 120 watts fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime and maximizing productivity. Additionally, the tablet will seamlessly integrate with other Xiaomi devices, thanks to its preloaded HyperOS-based Android operating system, offering enhanced connectivity options. Moreover, the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 support underscores Xiaomi's commitment to staying at the forefront of technological advancements. While specific information regarding the camera setup is yet to be revealed, it is speculated that the Pad 6s Pro may inherit the camera configuration seen in its predecessors, featuring a 50-megapixel and 2-megapixel rear camera setup and a 20-megapixel front camera, delivering impressive imaging capabilities for both productivity and leisure. Excitingly, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro has also obtained certifications for the global market, hinting at its availability beyond the shores of China. This move underscores Xiaomi's ambition to expand its reach and offer its cutting-edge products to a wider audience worldwide. As the official launch date approaches, anticipation continues to build, with tech enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the unveiling of Xiaomi's latest flagship tablet. With its impressive specifications and promising features, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro is poised to set new benchmarks in the competitive tablet market, further solidifying Xiaomi's position as a key player in the industry. Thank you for your continued support and dedication in watching my videos every day. Your commitment and encouragement inspire me to keep creating and striving for excellence in every video I produce. Each view, like, and comment motivates me to push myself further and deliver content that resonates with you. Thank you for being here, and have a wonderful day. God bless you abundantly.